everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a God mode folder with all the Windows settings like the control panel settings in it. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the file folder that the location where you want to create that folder. Now, just simply create a new folder just by tapping there, and if I hit the new folder and rename the folder to this game mode dot under this curly braces ED78A470-8054-825C-99712043E01C and curly braces closed. Just simply name it to that. You can easily copy paste it and hit enter, and once you do that, it will change that icon to this something like control panel, and when you open it, you're gonna find all the system settings inside this particular folder, and that looks very techy and futuristic. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.